Wedges. You'll identify a wedge pattern when there's a lack of movement in the price of a currency pair. You'll notice that the trend in your chosen currency pair seems to be on hold, and after this lull, the trend might either continue or reverse. Rising wedges can be formed in either uptrends or downtrends. A wedge is formed when the price of a currency pair consolidates between the support and resistance lines. If a rising wedge is formed in a downtrend, the downtrend tends to continue. If you see a rising wedge in an uptrend where higher lows are forming faster than the higher highs, making the support line steeper than the resistance line, a breakout could happen, leading to a downtrend more often than not.